Hello, this video gives you the solution to question bank on English writing skills. In question paper, writing skills is section 3, question 4 and it is for 16 marks. In question bank, we are given total 5 topics on expansion of idea. Here they are. In answer sheet, we need to write full topic as the title. Let's see the distribution of marks. Introduction carries 1 mark, expansion of idea 2 marks, and conclusion 1 mark. Let's see the first topic. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty means true conduct in words, thought and action. At every twist and turn you meet people who are willing to do anything dishonest in order to earn money. No one likes a dishonest person because they cannot be trusted. The truth is always so simple. Dishonesty is like a whirlpool from which escape is difficult. Maintaining a lie could be troublesome. A dishonest person has to make special efforts to remember his lies. An honest person can always be free from all the worries. If you're facing troubles and wish to speak to someone, you would always turn to that one honest friend you have. Honest people are said to be a bit frank and are respected. Honesty brings peace, grace and dignity to your life, and hence it could be said that honesty is the best policy. It teaches that it is always better to tell truth rather than lying to escape an unwanted situation. Moving to second topic, believing in yourself is believing in the best. Believing in yourself is believing in the best means that if we wish to achieve success in life or want to accomplish a certain goal, then it can only be done when we have greatest faith and belief in ourselves. Often it is seen that many fail in life because they lack self-belief. Instead, they believe more on others than themselves. All the great men are today so successful and powerful just because of the power of self-belief and determination. People must be quite clear and confident about their goals. Hence, the proverb is a motivation that says to believe in yourself when others doubt you. Sometimes it will take time to change your dream into reality. Don't lose hope. Keep doing the work. Success will sure knock your door. So stop doubting yourself and ignore people's opinion and begin to believe in yourself, your knowledge, your key skills. These are the only factors which drive you to success. Third topic is humor is the spice of life. Good humor is also a valuable defense in fighting against worries and in battles of life. It energizes us not to get upset in the face of every misfortune and helps us to come out of odd situations. But a joke is never humorous if it is done to hurt others. On the other hand, a good-humored person is one who is not easily provoked or irritated, take things in a genial and friendly spirit, and gets a pleasant companion. It is a healthy attitude to life. It is also a good habit and may be cultivated throughout one's life. Life is neither too good nor too bad. It is what we make of it. If you develop an attitude of looking at the dark side of life only, you can't enjoy your life. On the other hand, if you have some sense of humor, you will find something consoling or even amusing in many unhappy situations. So we can say humor is the spice of life. Our fourth topic is nature, the best teacher. Nature not only nurtures all forms of life, but it is also ever ready to guide and teach us. Nature is the best gift of God to man, teaching us all the life lessons such as to be great to needy ones, patience, hard work, independence and many more. Everything which is present in nature teaches us very great lessons. For example, a hibiscus flower comes to life the whole day. It dances and plays with the wind. But in the evening it starts dying. It teaches us that however short life may be, live it to your fullest. Similarly, the trees teaches us to provide cover to the weak and tired. The sun gives lesson to burn itself and give light to the world. The river teaches us to move continuously towards our goal by crushing all the problems. Hence, it is well said that nature is the best teacher for everything and anything we want to learn. Next topic is friends a real treasure. True friends are those who really help us in our bad times of the life. They motivate us and always support whenever we need them. True friends become very special in our life and remain with us. It is true friends who prove this proverb, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Good friends always support in our difficulties, for whom it is not necessary to be from same field, same class or same caste. True friends always listen to you and correct the mistakes you do to bring at the right path. It is very necessary for us to distinguish between the bad and the good friends to get prevented from being cheated. A friend who remain same in all conditions, good or bad, and support heartily really become the true friend forever. Sometimes they know us better than we know ourselves. With gentle honesty, they are there to guide. Hence, friends are a real treasure.